In this video, I am going to show you how to edit a video after posting it. So if you have uploaded a TikTok video to your TikTok account and after like a few days you found out that you want to change something in the video and you don't have that video anymore on your phone, so I am going to show you how to fix this problem and how you can edit your TikTok video. So let's get started right now. So what you want to do, guys, is just click your video that you want. I'm going to click at the very bottom right my profile picture, and I am going to click click the video that I want to edit. For example, I want to edit this video, so just click at the three little dots and at the very bottom at the bottom right, just click the three little dots here. And as you can see here, there is no way here to edit the video directly from TikTok. So there is one solution, which is to click save the video. Just click save the video. By the way, guys, this video I am going to show you how to get 1000 TikTok followers just for free. So at the end of this video I'm going to show you how to do that. But now let's see how you can edit the video. So after you click, like I said, three little dots at the very bottom right, and you click it saved. So after you save the video, you want to go back to your TikTok and click this plus button at the in the middle, at this plus button here, where you can upload the video. Just click it. All right, perfect. Now just click upload, as you can see here, and then you will find the video that you want to edit. So this video, and then now you can change anything you want in the video. For example, you want to edit description, or you want to change filters, you can do whatever you want, and then click post again and post it. So if this video helped you, please drop a like. If you want to get 1000 TikTok followers for free in 1 minute, just click the video in the screen right now and you will learn how to get 1000 TikTok followers just 1 minute. See you guys in the next video.